guys, thank you so much for the support, the love, the likes, the comments. Guys, I love you so much. I appreciate you. Continue to like, love, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm still here. Today we're going to be cooking curry chicken, and we're also going to be cooking some yardman food, which is yellow yam, green banana, and cornmeal dumpling. So who remember Horace from the first video? Come on in, Horace. He's gonna be cooking the food for me, and I'm gonna be cooking the chicken. So Horace is gonna be doing the dumpling and the yam and the banana, and I'm gonna be stirring up the curry chicken. First, guys, I'm gonna have you watch me season my meat. Yes, guys, I'm gonna go into the seasoning, but I had to show you this lovely piece of yellow yam that I got at this Caribbean place. It looked just like down a yard. Nice, eh? It's a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of Mrs. Dash, a tablespoon of our original Jamaican Maggi. This is original. I got it from Jamaica. My friend came up from Jamaica and brought this Maggi for me. So it's a teaspoon of Maggi. I'm gonna use a teaspoon and a half. I didn't say teaspoon, it's tablespoon, guys. I'm also gonna be using some cayenne pepper, as you know we like a lot of, and a half a teaspoon of adobo, because you know we got a little extra salt than the other seasoning. I'm also gonna be using a teaspoon of jerk seasoning. Guys, don't tell me it's gonna be too spicy. I think it's gonna be good. Now we're gonna use a tablespoon of curry powder. I'm also gonna be burning some in the pot, but I like to put a little bit on the chicken just to catch the color, and then I burn the rest with some garlic. And I also add a little bit of oil to get the seasoning rubbed in, especially the curry, that it goes right through the meat. I'm adding some cut onion, green scallion or green onion, a little bit of garlic, and some thyme. So I'm gonna rub this in, guys. Okay, my pot has been put to preheat. I'm adding a little bit of oil, which is about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add some garlic, and then I'm gonna add my curry to be burnt for a little bit. So I had like about 3 pegs of garlic, 3 cloves, and 2 tablespoons of curry. This is called burning the curry, guys. It changed from, yes guys, it changed from, so when I add my chicken, guys, I just keep stirring to get the curry that I burned all over. Then I'm gonna cover for a few minutes before I add any water. Yes, chefs, come and look at this curry. The curry has been burning for 5 minutes. I'm going to add some ginger root, and then I'm going to add some water, but I'm going to use hot water, guys. And then I'm going to cover to cook for about 20 minutes. Chefs, I'm just here having a glass of wine, waiting on my curry chicken to be done. Just want to ask you guys, if you have tried any of my video, comment down below. Let me know what you have tried, what you have liked. If it has worked for you, And if there's something special you guys want me to cook, I have a few coming up. Just comment down below so I can see what you guys want me to cook, and I will definitely be cooking it. I have a few good things coming up in the next couple of weeks, so wait on it. Chefs, the curry chicken is 3/4 on its way. I'm now gonna add, I have 2 small carrots, an onion, 1 whole onion, some green scallion, some thyme, and some Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and add to the pot. Stir it in proper. Yes, chefs, this is the finished product. Look at it. It's so rich. It's so nice. It smells so good. Tastes so good. The flavor is excellent. I'm gonna plate, guys, and then I'm gonna have you look at the finished product. Okay, chefs, look at the finished product. Look how rich my curry is looking. This is looking and tasting absolutely great. Now, guys, we have come to the end of the video. I want to thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. And I just want to shout out everybody in Jamaica who no stop big me up. Love you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.